Hello everyone, I am Manas Chandra Roy, Data Science and Business Analytics intern at Graduate Rotational Internship Program of the Sparks Foundation. Today I perform the task 3, Exploratory Data Analysis on Retail Domain. In this task, I have to do exploratory data analysis on dataset Sample Superstore. As a business manager, I try to find out the weak areas where I can work to make more profit. So let's go through the code. First of all, I have to import necessary libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Seaborn, all the libraries from Plot9 module, Matplotlib, PyPlot, Plotly Express, Plotly Graph Object, Plotly Subplots, and then I load the dataset and I check the data frame using data.head. It shows the first 5 rows of the data frame. After that, I check shape of the data frame using data.shape command. Here we can see there are 9,994 rows and 13 columns. After that, we check the column information using data.info command. Here you can see the column name and their corresponding data type. Here we see ship mode, segment, country, city, state, region, category, subcategory are of object data type, and postal code, quantity are of integer 64 data type, and we see sales, discount and profit are of float 64 data type. After that, we check the description of this data frame using data.describe command. Here you can see the mean, standard deviation, minimum values, maximum values. After that, we check is there any null or missing values in this data frame, and we see there is no null values in this data frame. After that, we check is there any duplicate values in this data frame, and we see there are 17 duplicate values. We drop the duplicate values using data.drop duplicates command, and now we can see the unique values of this data frame using data.nUnique command. After that, we delete the variable column postal code. After that, we see the correlations between the variables in this data frame, covariance of the columns, and we see our preprocessed data frame using df.head. After that, we perform exploratory data analysis EDA. First of all, we see the visualization. Here we see the category versus subcategory. It's a bar plot. After that, we check every columns individually, and we check the sales, quantity, discount and profit in the visualization form. And here we count the values of the states. Most values are in the state California, and the lowest value in the state Wyoming. After that, we check the pie chart, ggplots pie chart. Here we see the above pie chart illustrates the profit and loss of each and every subcategories. Here we can visualize the binders. Subcategory has suffered the highest amount of loss and also profit amongst all other subcategories. Till now we can't say that what the reason is. It may be because of discounts given on binder subcategory. Next, suffering from highest loss is machines. After that, we see the illustration pie consumption patterns in the United States. And after that, we see the pair plot of subcategory, and from the above diagram we can say that our data is not normalized and it has a few amount of outliers too. Let's explore more about these outliers by using box plots. At first, we will check sales from every segments of whole data. From the above graph, we can say that home office segment has less purchased subcategories, and in that tables, supplies, machines, copiers, bookcases has the lowest sales. Consumer has purchased more subcategories as compared to other segments. And this is the box plot of postal sales, quantity, discount and profit. Next, we will delve into the sales data of randomly selected states from each profit category, including high profit, medium profit, low loss and high loss. Our objective is to identify significant patterns and trends that could provide insights for boosting overall sales. For the visualization, we choose the 5 cities of United States: California, Washington, Mississippi, Arizona, and Texas. After analyzing the data through visualization and clustering, we can discern the regions and product categories where sales and profits are either high or low. To enhance performance in those regions, offering discounts within a specified range could prove beneficial for both the company and consumers. Determining the optimal discount range requires conducting technical analysis, which can be achieved through either factor analysis or neural networks. It's worth noting that even though the superstore experiences losses from providing discounts on its products, discontinuing this practice is not a viable option. The significant discounts are typically offered during festivals, end-of-season sales, and clearance events to create space in the warehouses for new stock. These strategic losses contribute to the company's long-term success by attracting and retaining more customers. Therefore, absorbing minor losses from discounts is an integral part of the company's business strategy. And that's all. Thank you, everyone.